everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about peaches, and I have a list of food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with peaches. So if you're looking for some specific new recipe ideas to use peaches with, hopefully this will help you out. Now the list is long. I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. I have a link to part 1 below. Combine peaches with cinnamon, honey, lemon, and yogurt, or peaches with fennel and lemon, peaches with ginger, honey, lemon, and lemongrass, peaches with ginger and lemon, peaches with honey, nuts of your choice, and oats or oatmeal, peaches with mangoes and raspberries, peaches with maple syrup, nuts of your choice, orange juice, and ricotta cheese, peaches with maple syrup, orange, and vanilla, peaches with mascarpone, strawberries, and vanilla, and peaches with pistachios and vanilla. All sounds good to me. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.